What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa Felice here, and from the title I'm sure you can tell that I'm doing this pretty glam and glittery New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please stay tuned to watch it. Alright, yes, this hair is not really it. This was not the planned look exactly, but there will be a video coming on it for the explanation of why it looks like this. It's kind of cute, kind of fun, growing on me a little bit, but there are some things that I definitely would have done different, just because some things didn't work out so well, making it look a little too frizzy, to be honest. So next time, and I will probably show that one too the next time I try this hair out. I just wanted to get that part out of the way of this video. Let's get started. I am going to be using a little bit of different face products on like the base of my face today. Not too different, but I still wanted to show and film what I'm putting on for my foundation and stuff anyways, just so I can, just in case anybody had questions. I'm using the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And I really only put this in the areas that I have my bigger pores, which is just like my T-zone. Okay, and then I wanted to try to mix the primer. Not mix it, but layer them, I should say. I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just going to put this all over, but just pat it on. And again, today I'm just winging this look. I honestly am not sure what I want to do. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions of like the distance that you like the camera, my background in my camera for when I film videos like this, because honestly this is really hard. These are one of the hardest videos for me to record, because I need a mirror, good enough light, and then I don't want my background to be all crazy with a bunch of stuff. But unfortunately this is my bedroom right now. My bedroom is honestly really small, so yeah. I'm gonna take my Sephora sponge like I always do, and the same foundation that I've used in my other videos. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define F4.5. I'm gonna take the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, and this is the super size and in C3. I'm pretty excited for this makeup look, even though I really don't know where I'm going with it, but I just know it's gonna be fun and glittery. Like my other videos, I'm going in with the Peach Perfect Too Faced powder, translucent powder, Peach Whisper. And at this point, I normally like to wipe off my lips because they do get covered in foundation at this point. Then I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And just bronze up my whole face, kind of contour with it too. Pretty much the last thing for like the base of my face, and then I'll zoom you guys in for my eyes. I'm gonna use the NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Bang Bang. Okay, now that you guys are zoomed in for my eyes, I am going to lay down the base. It's going to be the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. And for the eyes, eyeshadow on the eyes, I'm going to be using the Lorac Unzipped. I'm going to be using this darkest color on Last Untamed on my outer corner. I think I'm just going to use Undercover, this white one, on the inner corner, and then I'm just going to add glitter to that. That's the original plan. Let's hope that that works. Now that my eyes look like that, I'm actually going to take this darker color and take it underneath my lash line, my lower lash line, and blend it out as well. Alright, now I am going to use my Gimme Brow Gel and do my eyebrows. It's in shade 5. Now that I have my eyebrows done, I am going to try to put on some of the glitter. I'm going to be using NYX Metallic Glitter. Anyways, but this is in 03, is that what it's called? I don't know. But it's really fine glitter and I'm kind of scared to use it. But I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue like I did in my last couple of videos as well. This is what the NYX glitter glue looks like. I'm just going to put the glitter glue like on the first half of my eyelid where the light color is. Because that's really, I just wanted to put a light color underneath it so it wasn't just like my regular skin tone. I've never used this particular glitter before, but I've used plenty of other glitters. Just never one this fine, if I'm being super honest. Ooh. This is really pretty. I'm excited. Ooh. This is perfect with that outer color. This look actually makes me want to go out. Alright, that glitter is like one of my new favorites now. I do feel like I'm missing a little bit of something like in my inner corner area. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Monster, since it's like an iridescent little pinky color as well. Though, so we'll see how this goes with the glitter. Okay, I think I like it. I'm going to real fast put on some of the Lip Injections Extreme and Tangerine Dream just to plumpen up my lips before I put a lip gloss or lipstick on. What highlighter to do with this? For highlighter, I'm going to throw on the Sleek. Do a mixture of both of them. I think that would be what that would work with this. I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, now that I have the lashes on, which I'm using Bold Face Alter Ego lashes, and then use the Duo Brush On Clear Glue, as well as the Voluminous Carbon Black mascara from L'Oreal. And then I'm gonna line my waterline with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever. And last thing, to complete the look, I am going to put on this fluid lip gloss in Everywhere. It's just a clear gloss when you put it on. But I would say it's my favorite lip gloss I've ever used. Originally I was thinking I wanted to do like a matte lip with this look, but I think the lip gloss looks better. This is the final look. I'm super happy with the way this look came out, and it makes me want to do glitter on like all of my looks and purchase more of these really fine NYX glitters, different colors and stuff to add. And my hair is actually growing on me, especially with this makeup look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to all your friends. Let me know if you guys try this look at all, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Oh, and this thing.
Oh, cracking my neck.
This is charcoal. This is good for your skin.
And there's eye primer.
And you put this on your eyelashes.
Eyelids.
Like so.
You really almost stabbed me in the eye with that. You freaking, it tickled my eyelashes. Real Paris Volume. No, never mind.